In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time data on TradingView. If you're someone who heavily relies on up-to-the-minute market information for making important trading decisions, you'll find this guide extremely useful. We'll walk through this process in a detailed yet straightforward way to ensure you're all set up with real-time data in no time. To begin, you'll want to start by heading over to TradingView's chart section. This is essentially your control center, where you'll be able to see all the crucial market data that's been updated. If you're already on TradingView, simply navigate to the Chart tab, where you'll find a comprehensive view of various market instruments available on this platform. The ability to have a bird's eye view of the market can truly enhance your trading scope and give you a better understanding of market trends. Once you're on the chart section, the next thing you need to do is access the watch list. The watch list is a very handy tool, as it allows you to keep a close eye on those financial symbols you are most interested in. It's conveniently located on the side of your chart, typically on the right. By clicking on the watch list, you'll be presented with a list of symbols, which are essentially ticker symbols representing various financial instruments. This customized list can hold a variety of assets, such as stocks, indices, and even cryptocurrencies, thus making it easier for you to switch between them quickly. Now, to get real-time data, you must select a symbol from your watch list. Simply click on the symbol that you want real-time updates on. This will alter the chart to reflect that particular symbol's real-time data. As you make your selection, the chart will update to the latest available data for your chosen symbol. This process is seamless and is designed to ensure that you are always working with the most current market information out there. Remember, having real-time data is crucial for making effective and timely trading decisions. It provides an edge, especially in fast-moving markets, by allowing you to act quickly on emerging opportunities or trends. Additionally, keeping your watchlist updated with symbols you're actively monitoring can optimize your trading efficiency further. With that, we've covered how to access and utilize real-time data on TradingView efficiently. Whether you're just starting out or are an experienced trader, having quick access to real-time information is indispensable. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now more comfortable navigating TradingView's powerful charting tools. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy trading.